India is ranked as the formidable force today in the geopolitical equation of the globe, be it whether European Union, G7, BRICS, or any other alliances across the globe. They are now aspiring to cement their bilateral and trade ties with India in this context.
We have chosen this topic because it is a topic of current affairs. Many people in our own university don't know about this topic, so we need to create awareness amongst them about this. One should be alert on day by day events happening at the global scale. So this was also the reason for choosing this topic.
Team prepared a questionnaire based on 4 specific queries in which we will ask our public the 4 questions that will be about the G7 topic, and let us start our survey by asking our public the questions.
हाँ ठीक है अगर
So I will be asking you some question about G7 topic. What is your name?
My name is Pradeep. My name is Amrita.
So I will ask you some question. Are you aware of the G7 summit?
Yes.
Is India a major stakeholder in G7? Neutral. Should India remain neutral or support Russia?
Neutral.
Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Smriti Sharma.
So I will be asking you, how beneficial is this pact going to be for India in the future?
It is beneficial as India is keep supporting in the sustainable development, and also it considered the environmental factors regarding our country.
Thank you.
Hello Brett, what is your name? I want to ask some questions about G7. Are you aware of G7 summit?
Yes,
Is India a major stakeholder in G7?
neutral.
Okay. Should India remain neutral or support Russia?
I think yes.
How beneficial is the pact going for India in future?
Not so much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
India remain neutral or support Russia?
It should remain neutral.
This diplomatic strategy is beneficial for India.
Yes.
As we have surveyed from the other people, let's start from our analysis. Analysis so pi of each 15 or 20 respondents from BBAO. As let's discuss about the first question. The first question was, are you aware of the G7 summit? Let's get the analysis. The 62.5% people said yes, and 37.5% people remain neutral. Because there were no about this question, so that was our survey. Now let us move to the second question. Is India a major stakeholder in G7? Would you say yes or no? So the survey of the second question is like that. The 31.3% people were neutral, 31.3% people said no, and 37.5% people said yes. Now let us move to our third question. Should India remain neutral or support Russia? Now let us move to third question analysis. We said 75% people remain neutral in this question, and only 25% people said yes, but none of the people said no for this question. Now let us move to our fourth question. How beneficial is this pact going to be for India in future? And the analysis is like that. 56.3% people said yes, and 43.8% people remain neutral. So that's what we got from our analysis. Thank you.
The server responses that we got the few recommendation that will like to give you. I would like to add from my side one recommendation. We should continue these type of surveys, because these type surveys aware our Indian youth for how to think about what they think about our country, and what their choices to our country. And some recommendation I would ask to our panelist, or you can say that opinions. So the first question is, are you aware of G7 summit? So I think I am aware of G7 summit. There are 7 countries who makes this summit, and India is a guest in this G7 summit. And the question number second, is India is a major stakeholder in G7? So I think India is not a major stakeholder. So answer is no. India is a guest. And the third question is, should India remain neutral or support Russia? So I am adding some points. There is a benefit. There is a no, yes or no of this answer, because the situation of world politics is changes always. So I think India should be neutral. And the fourth question is, how beneficial is the pack going to for India in future? So I think this pack is going beneficial for future. Thank you. Keep watching. Chooses this topic, we realize that our student community don't know about G7. Our scholars must be sensitized about G7. It will be become better for our India and Indian youth. So we should continue these type of surveys to become aware our Indian youth. Thank you. Start.
As our survey is completed, now I would like to give some conclusion. Like, we acknowledge the sources like our faculty, teachers, students of BBU and other members which help us in completing the survey, and others like my cameraman and other teammates which help me help the team to get this survey get completed and get the work done. So thank you towards crafting an era of creating more holistic relations with the global scope through enhanced geopolitical equations. Thank you. Special thanks to Nimisha Pandey ma'am, who gave us this opportunity to conduct the survey and make our report. So thank you ma'am.
Thank you.